We have a strong south wind kicking in for today, and so that is going to heat things up. It's going to turn things more humid, and that will also be a fuel for the storms that we track later on. Let's start off this morning. We already have an active radar this morning with a few batches of showers passing by. First off, let's take you to the north where we have a line of showers that previously had some lightning to it. Now moving toward the coastline. This is mainly just light to moderate rain right along much of the New Hampshire seacoast, but also stretching along much of Cape Ann and moving through areas of the North Shore. We have another area of really a few clusters of showers developing through northern Worcester County that will be shifting eastward. So if you're in Metro West and moving along portions of 495 northwest of Boston, you will see this approaching shortly. South coast getting hammered right now. That has been the case for really a few hours. This is a cluster of heavier rainfall that's pushing through that did have a good amount of lightning earlier. We're losing the lightning factor, but still a good amount of rain moving toward the south coast and now stretching along the Cape Cod Canal, and that will continue to shift eastward along Cape Cod this morning. Where we don't have the rain, we have the fog, so all of us feeling the moisture in some form. Patchy fog out there is thick in spots, including Worcester, Boston, heading out toward Portsmouth. Starting off in the low to mid 60s, but things are really looking up this afternoon. We're making a run toward the upper 80s to just about 90 this afternoon for most locations. This boost in heat is because of a south wind. That south wind is off the water for the South Coast, Cape and Island. So that's why these locations will stay in the upper 70s to just about 80 degrees. And our dew point temperature is also climbing into the 70s today. Take a look at this. We are going to feel strong climb in humidity late this morning into the afternoon. That's something I do want to mention with the Boston 10K, because as we move toward that 10 o'clock hour, you'll feel that humidity level really starting to spike. It's because a warm front is shifting northward through the area that's priming our atmosphere for that likelihood of storms as a cold front approaches from the west heading into this evening. So that is why we are in the severe weather threat. The threat strongest where we have the red highlighted here, north and west of Boston. Damaging wind not out of the question. Flash flooding where it does flood. Could see over 3 inches in the strongest storms and even a few tornadoes. Let's time this out. This morning, the showers we have out there decay. So I would say by 9-10 o'clock, things are drying out in terms of the fog, the rain, and even a few slivers of sun will try to break through to the west. And I think that could shift eastward. So even in Boston and eastern Massachusetts, some brightening around midday through about 2 o'clock. But it's by that 2 o'clock hour, the storms are firing off to our northwest, and that starts to shift eastward as we travel into the evening. Notice the linear nature of these storm cells that the models are picking up on. That is concern for that damaging wind potential, and this is where we see a stronger threat for those rotating storms, especially moving north of Route 2. But we'll be watching for much of northern Massachusetts and really central and western Massachusetts right on through about 10 o'clock tonight. Be weather aware. Shower chances overnight, nothing severe, and then we get into what will likely be just a few spot showers developing for your Monday afternoon. I think we'll have plenty of dry times, and that's the case for Tuesday as well. Much hotter with a high near 90 by Wednesday.